everybody in the service industry claims to have high regards to customer satisfaction, and many of them fail to uphold the level of standard that they say they hope to achieve, whereas TimberKing completely stands behind their product and their declaration of treating the customer as a friend. I'm Jason Parker with Parker's Tree Service Incorporated in Ackworth, Georgia. Bought a TimberKing 2000 in September of 2009 that will pay for itself by March of 2010. As of now, January 2010, the machine has approximately 12 or 1,300 hours and has cut approximately 40,000 boards. The TimberKing website and literature states that these machines will easily produce 400 board feet an hour. I find myself producing numbers more of the 850 to 900 board feet per hour with my TimberKing. I chose TimberKing because with 30 years in the industry, they've had the time to perfect the machine and allow me to achieve the production that I was hoping to obtain. With the stoutness of the machine and the overall capabilities, as well as the 4-post cutter head, it'll allow me to produce more volume by being capable of sawing larger logs. Being in the tree care industry for 20 years, we needed to get creative to generate more income, and this was a productive way to generate that income with a product that we already deal with on a daily basis. My first customer was a local pallet company here in Ackworth that has a never-ending demand for boards to construct pallets on a daily basis. They order typically 5,100 boards plus per week, which is something that I can easily supply utilizing my TimberKing 2000. On an average week, I cut 30 to 40 tons of logs into lumber, and just yesterday received a load at 13.6 tons that will be completely consumed by this afternoon. The TimberKing 2000 is very easy to operate. Somebody can very easily operate it at a very productive level. The controls are all conveniently located. The computer set works are directly above them and also very easy to operate, allowing you to concentrate on being productive and cutting boards rather than a manual machine. I mean, this is definitely a production machine in the ability of stationary controls and everything within the immediate reach of the operator. It's completely designed for productivity. This is a machine that, as long as you've got the people to cut up with the person making the blade go back and forth, the possibilities are endless. With the ease and precision of the computer set works on the TimberKing machine, I am able to cut large diameter logs, allowing me to be more productive due to the ease of the computer set works. I personally use the auto feature for my up and down while cutting the large diameter logs. The computer set works are very easy to operate. They allow you the option of a manual control or what is an auto control. The auto control, you can set the return height above the log and it will remember or automatically take you to the specific location of the next cut in the order. I am very impressed with the diameter of the cutting throat. At 33 inches, it allows me to tackle even the largest of logs. Having the 4-post head on the TimberKing machine eliminates any sway or vibration while cutting even the largest of logs, and feel that without that design and without the smoothness of that cut, that the productivity I'm achieving would not be possible with a machine that did not have the 4-post. I've had no hydraulic issues whatsoever. The log loaders, the log stops, the log dog, and the log turner are all hydraulically operated. It allows them to have more stability and be more aggressive while easily maintainable. The hydraulics will allow you to load logs up to 5,000 pounds on the TimberKing 2000 with ease, turn them with ease. The log stops will hold them in place, and when uneven, your toe boards will easily level the log for a convenient cut. The log stops on the TimberKing machine are larger than those on other machines, allowing me again to put a larger log and therefore be more productive. The new design on the TimberKing 2000's log turner has a curve. It's not a straight log turner as found on other machines, which allows you to turn even the largest of logs with ease as it's curved to contour to the shape of the log. The hydraulic controls allowing the log stops to be controlled from the control panel allow you to drop them with each cut so that you can continue to maintain control of your log without having to manually lower your log stops with each cut. As you can see, the direct action hydraulics make the machine very quick. It allows us the opportunity to do 525 boards in just over 2.5 hours. That combined with the 4-post cutting head allows us the accuracy and the smooth and precision cut that you also witnessed, again allowing us to have the perfect board in the least amount of time. So if you're looking for a large, productive, well-built, tough, sturdy machine with the ability to handle the largest logs with the 33-inch cutting throat, the 4-post cutting head, a 5,000-pound log loader capacity, and at the same time maximize your production and efficiency, there really is no machine other than the TimberKing 2000.